Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to show how to make stuffed brinjal with prawns. You can say eggplant with shrimps. So for that I've taken brinjals, which is 6 of each. The main reason to show this video is this my aunt gave me and from her backyard, and I've decided to make a video on this, which I had promised to her also. So these are locally grown. Whichever you get it in the market, those purple ones also, it's well and good. Size doesn't matter also, so you can use that one. First thing what you have to do is we need to cut the eggplant. I will show one. This, being very careful with the knife. Cut 3/4 like this. You need to keep the stem, which I have already cut and kept all. Next thing what we need is onions, which I have taken 2 medium chopped and kept. Tomato, 1 medium chopped and kept. Also red chilli, which is Kashmiri chillies, 6 of each. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Size of a lemon, which is tamarind. Then I have cinnamon stick, half an inch. Cloves, 5 of each. Garlic, 12 of each clove. And then I have cumin, half a teaspoon. Black peppercorn, 8 each. Ginger, which is 1 inch. I have shrimps, which are green shrimps. I have taken medium size and cut them into half. If you have smaller prawns, if you get it smaller one, you can use any size, doesn't matter. If you have a big size also, you can chop them up and we can use this in this recipe. Also I have vinegar, 2 tablespoons, and sugar is 1 tablespoon. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply salt for this and keep it on the side before we start with the cooking process. Salt, required amount, and then salt for shrimps as well. We need to mix this. So now next step, I've already applied salt to this, as you have seen. Now next step is we need to make all these ingredients to a fine paste by adding to a jar. Turmeric powder, chillies, sugar, and then vinegar. Now required amount of water you need in order to make a smooth paste, fine paste. Now one more thing to keep in mind, if you have Recheado masala, you can also ready in your fridge, you can also use that Recheado masala for this dish. As our pan is already hot now, I have added oil to this. In order to saute the onion, I will add onion. Keep it on high flame now. Let it saute till it becomes light brown in color. Now the onion is already ready. I will add tomato. Saute it for a while. Till the tomatoes have become soft. This is ready. I will add prawns to this. Let it saute for a while. So now this is ready. I will add masala, blended masala to this. Guys, one thing to keep in mind from the jar, do not pass water now. This we require later on. Just keep the jar like this. Let this get dry in order to stuff the brinjal. Guys, check this out. Check this consistency. This is the consistency what we require to stuff the eggplant. It is reduced. Now I will turn off the flame and let this mixture, we'll bring it to room temperature in order to stuff. Guys, check this out. This is already dried. Now check the consistency. This is what we need in order to stuff the brinjal. Now we'll add a little bit of salt to this. Guys, remember we have already added salt to prawns and to brinjals. Now this is for the gravy. Just a little bit. Mix this. And I will turn off the flame now. This we need at room temperature in order to stuff the brinjal. So let it cool down. And once it is cooled down, we will stuff the brinjals. So now mixture is already cool now. I will stuff into this. Once you stuff, keep it aside. Fill all. Keep it like this. Stuff it and keep it on the side. Keep the remaining mixture on the flame. Add water from the jar. Remember, as I've told you earlier, to keep the jar on the side, pass water and place it in this. Mix properly. Once this is mixed properly, once this is on simmer, now add brinjals. Keep this on a very slow flame. Cover this and cook on a low flame till brinjals are getting cooked. In between you need to stir it. Guys, check this out. This I will turn now. This you need to keep it on a very slow range. And mix it properly, the gravy, so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. I will cover this and cook till they are done. Guys, check this out. These are ready now. Just mix this well. Check the gravy. Should be thick like this. I will turn off the flame. These are cooked now and ready to be served now. Guys, check out this delicious eggplant. You can try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this. Check the consistency. This is how exactly it should be. Thick. And the taste also is awesome.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.